Hello you guys, today we are continuing to our lesson with Java loops. Let's see our first loop and let's see what's the loop. Loop means guy. For example, I want to do, let's write this, int a equals, write this, and I want to increment s, for example, 5 times. What I need to do, I need to write s plus plus. I need to write again. For example, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times I did s plus plus. But what if I want to do this 100 times or 1000 times? And in this case, loops is completely useful for us. Let's see, our first loop is called for. For is a Java loop, and is using for some kind of doing some kind of stuff. And let's see all of this. Let's create this, and here guys, you don't need to understand, you just have to learn by heart this because it's the rule of Java. I'm going to write integer I equals 0, I smaller than, or let's write 10, and I'm going to write I increment. So what did I do? I wrote integer I here, integer I, and I wrote equals 0. What it means? I begins from 0, and each time this loop is work, our I will increment here. For example, in the first case, integer I equals 0, and second integer I equals 1. Why? Because we said I plus plus. I became 0, then became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last time I became 9 and can't be 10. Why? Because we said until it's smaller than 10, do this, but when I equals to 10, do not do this, or bigger than 10, do not do this. So let's do this here, and inside this loop, you can see inside this loop, I am going to write some kind of stuff. So let's write SOUT, and I'm going to write I want to see, let's write 9 times, and I'm going to run this. Yeah, I want to see it 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, actually 10. It became 10 because we didn't count 0. Let's write here 10 times. And let's run again. There is not much more different between them. We only change this, and you can see 10 times I got this. Why? Because 10 times our for loop is worked. So guys, let's remove this and let's write like this. For example, here we got s variable s. I'm going to write I want to increment s, and let's write this. So let's see the result. But we didn't write this, and let's run. You can see 1. Why? Because it was 0. When we came here, it became 1 because we said do increment. And after doing increment, we said do this 10 times. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So guys, this is our for loop. And let's do one more stuff here. I'm going to write SOUT, and let's write for loop worked. Let's write here let's do this again, and times. So guys, let's run this. Oh yeah, we got our for loop worked 0 times. Why did we get this? Because in the first condition our I equals 0, and when our I equals 0, here we got 0. Here we got 0, and we came 9, and this is our for loop, guys. So for this lesson we saw for loop, and in the next lecture we are going to learn another loop. So guys, let's see in the next lecture.